How to change your presence on Twitch. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your presence on Twitch. First then go to Twitch and now click here, click this one and then click here, account settings and then account and now presence, and now you can change it to anything you want, online or video or invisible. And as you see, that's how change presents. Just select anything you want and then just go back and presents will be changed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.